I would like to invite Bangladesh first. Thank you.
Honorable Chairperson, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, distinguished delegates, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It is a profound honor to represent the Bangladesh, People's Republic of Bangladesh at the important forum. We express our sincere gratitude to the government of Sri Lanka for hosting the 4th RIMES Ministerial Conference and to the RIMES Secretary for fostering regional solidarity in climate resilience and disaster risk management. Bangladesh values its deep and long-lasting partnership with RIMES. This collaboration continues to play a vital role in strengthening our national capabilities to manage climate and disaster risks more productively and effectively. Bangladesh's geographical position, coupled with a climate and demographic density, makes it one of the most climate vulnerable countries in the world. In 2024 alone, Bangladesh experienced a super cyclone storm Remal, 3 major incidents of flash flood in the northeastern region and unprecedented severe flash flood in the southeastern region, one of the record highest continuous heat waves, monsoon river and flood, several landslide incidents, lightning, cold wave and river erosion. Vulnerability to climate shocks driven by rapid urbanization, high population density and reliance on agriculture had led Bangladesh to place a high priority on strengthening risk governance, investing in climate services and integrating early warning information into developing planning. The government of Bangladesh, through the Ministry of Disaster Management and Relief and allied agencies, is prioritizing the integration of advanced disaster risk reduction strategies. The strategies include formulation of comprehensive policies such as the National Plan for Disaster Management 2020-2025, documenting valued copy insights gathered over 100 years of disaster management experiences. Additionally, the adoption of cutting-edge hydrometeorological technologies and the expansion of early warning systems to enhance resilience and safeguard vulnerable communities are the part of our strategy too. We are committed to embracing a people-centered, multi-hazard, multi-timescale early warning system approach with a strong emphasis on the impact-based forecasting and anticipatory action. We believe that the application of weather and climate information services will be critical for us in protecting human lives and wealth. Consequently, these cutting-edge wood-iron technologies can significantly mitigate the socio-economic impact of disaster by enhancing preparedness and enabling timely informed decision-making at all levels. Bangladesh's national strategy demonstrates our commitment to proactive risk reduction, climate resilience, and inclusive early action. RIMES, as may be true for many other countries, has been one of our key partners in reducing disaster risks. RIMES has been providing technical support in mainstreaming multi-hazard early warning system and anticipatory action for shifting the paradigm from reactive to proactive approach. RIMES providing technical support to the National Task Force and on forecast-based action and lead the technical development of National Early Action Protocol for cyclone and monsoon river and flood. RIMES has also been support to Department of Disaster Management of Bangladesh on localization of early warning and dissemination of early warning information through innovative sustainable dissemination mechanism. Furthermore, RIMES has supported Bangladesh in capacity development efforts on early warning systems, forecast-based preparedness, disaster risk management, and impact-based forecasting for different stakeholders and operational types within the early warning routine, including the community at risk. Through the collaboration spanning over more than 2 decades, RIMES assisted Bangladesh Water Development Board and Bangladesh Meteorological Department to make use of improved focus in enhanced community resilience. With technical assistance from RIMES, the flood forecasting and warning center has been equipped within 10 to 15 days forecast technology, making a significant leap in forecasting capacity of Bangladesh. With technical assistance from RIMES, BMD runs the next generation digital weather forecasting. The robust partnership has been between the government of Bangladesh and RIMES continues to significantly enhance Bangladesh forecasting capacity, disaster preparedness, and climate service delivery. Bangladesh fully endorsed the RIMES Master Plan 2026 to 2030. We commend its strong focus on multi-hazard, multi-timescale, and multi-purpose approach, digital support, innovation, anticipatory action, and community engagements. We look forward to deepening our collaboration with RIMES under this master plan, aligned with our national priorities for climate resilient sustainable development. In conclusion, Bangladesh reforms its unwavering commitment to working with RIMES and strengthening regional cooperation to build a safer, more climate resilient future. We believe that through partnership, innovation, and people-centered approaches, we can translate early warning into early action and not only protect the lives but also livelihood and livelihood of millions. Thank you, Chair. Thank you, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, sir, from Bangladesh.